Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech InfoCard. Today I am going to show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 10. Basically what happened, system restore is a system recovery tool that allows you to create a snapshot of the computer's current working state and save it as a restore point. If something goes wrong with your system and you need to get it working again, you just simply use a system restore to revert the device to an earlier point to fix the problem without losing your file. So it is always better to create a system restore when your computer is in stable and functional state. Follow some steps which I am going to show you here. So let's get into it. You have to write in run system restore. Click on system restore point. System properties page will open. Then you have to select the drive where you want to make a system restore point. So select drive C and click on configure. Then you may notice that disable system protection was selected. Then you have to select turn on system protection, apply and OK. Then click on create restore point, page will open. Here you have to write the system restore point and the date you can add on it. Here I have mentioned 792021. You have to click on create. Then system creating a restore point. The restore point was created successfully. Then you have to close it, and you have to close it from here also. Then what you have to do, you have to again create restore point. Here you can click on the system restore, the restored system file cell settings, click next. Then you have noticed that system restore that you have been created right now has been mentioned over there. You have to click on it, click next, confirm your restore point, finish, it will work.
So, if anything goes wrong, you can use this restore point to revert your laptop or desktop to an early point to resolve the issue without losing your files. So that's it.
Hope it was helpful. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.